How to change kids account to normal account of your Netflix. Hello everyone, I'm here to guide you how you can change the kids account to normal account on your Netflix. So to change your kids account to a regular account on your Netflix, you have to follow this step. So first of all, you have to open up your Netflix here. You have to launch the Netflix app or you have to go to the Netflix website on your browser. And here you have to sign in to your Netflix account here. So go and sign into your Netflix account. So on the bottom there you can see your Netflix profile. Just click on that. And once you are here, you have to go for the three line which is on the top right. And so once you are here, you have to just go for the manage profile here. So under your manage profile, you have to click on the profile that is set as a kid account. Just select on the kid account here. So once you have select on the profile which is set as a kid account, so in the profile setting you can uncheck the box label as kid. So here you have to delete the profile or uncheck the profile here. Also you can change the name here and go for the edit icon here and you can choose the icon of your kid here. So go and choose the icon here and change your name. And after that, you have to simply go back. And here you can see that you have successfully changed the kid account to the normal account on your Netflix. So the profile will now be your regular account and will no longer be restricted to kid content. You have to go back and close off your Netflix and open up your Netflix here. Once you have opened up your Netflix here, you can see that there is no any kid here. So there is no any kid account here. So you have successfully changed your kid account to the normal account. That's it for today. If you like this video, please hit that like button and subscribe for more. I will see you in the next one. Thank you.